BYD Shark 6 DMO is here, and you can see it's a massive truck. What does DMO stand for? It means dual mode off-road. I wanted to show you the specifications over here. Just go through it, but basically it's all about technology and it's an off-road vehicle. As you can see, it has a very powerful drivetrain up to 435, I don't know what this is, PS, okay, of torque. And of course, all the goodies that come with a hybrid electric vehicle. This is, by the way, an HEV machine, which means it can take fuel as well as, but it is battery powered. So the battery will be charged by the gas machine or diesel. I'm not exactly sure if this takes in diesel or gas. But anyways, enough of that. Let's go and explore the BYD Shark 6 DMO. So over here is the black variant, and there are three variants, by the way. You have black and you have white over there. Let's check it out. Let's go around. It's a massive truck, by the way, guys. And we saw earlier this truck cross the puddle. You can take it going up and down and steep inclines and declines. The back, how do you open this? Oh yeah. Okay. Meron siyang camera. There's a 360 camera inside. Okay, hindi ko alam paano siya i-open. Okay.
Double click lang.
Okay, double click. Sorry. There it is. Massive space. Ay, mas malaki pa sa banyo natin. Okay. Nakasya ka ng mga malalaking ref, furnitures, sofa, all your pet dogs, and your friends and family. Let's go. Let's start with the passenger side. As you can see, it's very spacious, very roomy, and you have leather upholstery. Okay, this is what's nice about an electric vehicle. Yung kung makikita nyo dito sa baba, you have USB charger, USB traditional USB Type A and USB Type C. And this appears to be, di ba ano yan? It's a AC. Yeah. Standard AC outlet. Pwede mo siyang gamitin kunyari pag nasa labas if you go camping, or pag nasa bahay pagka nag-brown out. Tapos of course, all power din siya. By the way, there are two variants. There's the standard or the entry level, the Premier and Advanced. So Premier is the entry level model. It's 2.98 million pesos, and the Advanced is gonna cost you 2.298. So mas mahal ng 200k yung Advanced. Alright, so very spacious, very roomy. Nasaan yung air vents? Wala siyang air vents sa likod, no? Ito lang yung air labasan ng aircon. Nasa gitna. So wala dito sa taas. Okay, wala rin sa sides. Pero may speakers dito. Tapos I believe they mentioned parang 8 yung speakers, no, ng sasakyan na ito. 9 kung kasama yung subwoofer sa likod.
Yes.
At naita ko kanina si Mike, he was playing around with a microphone. So meron siyang karaoke. Sabi ko parang pwede, no? Pwedeng mag-karaoke videoke when you're outdoors, kung halimbawa nagka-camping kayo, or if you're trekking. Pwede mo siyang gawing entertainment system kasi kita mo naman napakalaki. It's a 15-inch console, intelligent console and touchscreen. So punta na tayo sa harap, paglaruan natin yung ating console. malakas to pa sa kabila. Right. Ready. Ito yung nakakatuwa dito guys. Kung makikita nyo, napakaraming pwedeng kalkalin dito sa gitna yung ating center console. You have okay, yung tawag dito. Oops. Gumalaw. Oops. Okay, wag natin baka biglang umandar. Oh, did you feel that?
Oo.
Kaya ba yun?
I think someone's opening the door.
Okay. Someone's open. Akala ko may nagalaw tayo dito. May nag-open pala nung likuran. So, eto siya, guys. Okay. This display can rotate. Let's see how, if we can, paglaruan natin. On natin yung AC. Ano ba yung, nasan yung AC natin? Sorry guys, I'm not familiar with BYD yet. Ayan.
Hopefully soon.
Hopefully soon. Pagka na-drive test natin to. Medyo mainit pa yung aircon but I just turn it on. Ano to? Ito yung microphone. Puti talaga yung mic, no? Kasi yung isa, akala namin kanina, puti yung mic kasi puti yung colorway. Pero ito, itim, puti pa rin yung mic. Hello? Let's turn it on. So, kanina si Mike Soon, pinaglalaroan nyo yung mic. Yun nga naisip ko, pwede siya pang entertainment, pang video. Okay, hello. Sound check. Which? 107.5. Yung echo, no? So, pwede tayong kumanta ng ano bang bagay ang BYD. Anyway, hindi yun yung point. Tigilan natin to. Pwede siya pang camping, pang glamping, you're trekking. And check out the center console. Nandito lahat, no, ng controls ng car, pati na rin dito kasi yung dating nandito, 'di ba? It's occupied by this big display. Hindi siya Android. So hindi natin alam yung availability ng apps. Meron ba tong Netflix, meron ba tong YouTube, pero meron siyang Spotify supposedly. Ayan, Spotify, may Android Auto. Okay? So wala siyang YouTube, wala siyang Netflix. Hopefully there's a way kasi mukha namang Android yung pinaka underlying OS niya. 'Di ba? Ayan, version update. Factory reset natin. Okay. So it's Android yung underlying OS. Meron ba tong Play Store? BYD Store. Okay. Are we connected? Uy, connected tayo. Ay, may YouTube. Ayan. So meron YouTube. Hindi natin alam kung may Netflix, pero kung Android yung kanyang underlying OS, may chance, no? May pag-asa. So yun yung kagandahan dito. Also, you can rotate the display from landscape. You can rotate to portrait. Yan. Pagka mga TikTokers or mga Reels. Yan. Tapos, syempre, very roomy, very spacious. I'm not a big hindi ako malaking mama, pero kaya yun, medyo malaki siya for me. Nandito yung kanyang control. Okay, hindi ko na siya kakalikutin, but yan. Very, very spacious. And the steering wheel has all the standard things that you need in order to control the truck. Sasabihin ko sana auto, pero truck nga pala ito. So yun, kumusta? Di ba? Malamig naman, no? And we can imagine this pagka you're on the road, hindi siya magiging yung vibration, hindi kagaya ng traditional na diesel powered trucks kasi yun yung isa sa mga siguro identity ng trucks, 'di ba? Diesel powered sila, which means mas yung vibration mas malakas. And of course, yung pollution. So hybrid EVs good for nature, good for tawag dito, good, it's more eco-friendly. So sige, that's it for the BYD Shark 6. To end this video, let's just go around the white variant. And by the way, we are shooting this video using the Realme 14 Pro Plus 5G, which will be coming out soon. So abangan nyo yung launch nun. And if you wanna see the review, nandito yun. You will find it on our YouTube channel at Kuya. So let's just go around dun sa white. Present lang natin before we end this video. No. Let's sama natin sa video yung white para makita nila. Alright, so this is the white variant. Tapos meron siyang, ano yung isang color? Parang blue, dark blue. Parang dark to, ayan, nasa picture. Ayan, so yun yung tatlong kulay. Let's check out the white variant. Check out the mags. Pero sa ayan, yung kanyang charging port. Alright, check it out. Ganda nung finish. Meron siyang mica, yung kumikinang-kinang tawag doon mica. Tsaka lang, try to turn on. Okay ba? If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. See you guys in the next one.